Okay, welcome my viewers to the Flying Colors channel, and I promised you that the next time that I'll come, we'll come and talk or discuss about science paper 1 key topics. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about science paper 1 key topics. The key topics that are found in or that are usually come in what in science paper 1. Someone can ask, what is science paper 1? So science paper 1, it's physics. Mind you, science paper 1, it's physics. Science paper 2, it's what? Chemistry. So today I'm going to talk about physics key topics. Physics key topics. The topics that you need to take heed when you are revising, when you are going through the past papers or the pamphlets. I know that you are writing exams. You have already started writing exams, okay? You have already started what? Writing exams. And I know on Tuesday you are going to write what? Science paper 1. You are going to write science paper 1, which is physics. Now, I want to talk about the key topics, the major topics that you need to take heed or you need to revise. This is not the time for watching movies, playing around. No, this is a time for revision, going through of what you learned. Okay, so number one, the first thing that you need to understand, or the first topic that you need to understand is what? General physics. Okay, so the first thing is the general physics. So it's one of the interesting topic in physics, general physics. So under general physics, that's where we find now quantity and unity. Okay, quantity and unity. Quantity and unity. Okay, so take heed. Please go through the quantities and the units. Know the units. Please know the units of time. Know the units of all the quantities: meters, kg, weight, and all the quantities. Please know the units of them. Okay. After that, you need also to understand the speed. You need to understand the speed, and after speed, you need also to understand velocity. Velocity. These are the major subtopics that you need to understand. Mind you, exam is on Tuesday. You're writing science paper on Tuesday. No speed, no velocity. Then the third thing is what? Acceleration. Acceleration. So after knowing quantities and units, speed and velocity, acceleration. Please, no acceleration. No acceleration. These are the subtopics under what? General physics. Go through, please. Go through. These topics, they come. We're gonna find them in what? In science paper. Know this, please. I don't want to waste much of time talking about this because I know you know these things. I just want you to revise and go through. Then the fourth one is what? Mass and weight. Under general physics, no mass. Mass and what? And weight. No mass and weight. No mass and weight. Please know what mass is. Know what weight is. Know the formula for mass. Know the formula we use when finding what? Weight. Go through. These things are real, guys. These things are real. You're gonna find them in your paper. The fifth one is what? Volume. Volume and density. Okay, so under general physics, no mass and weight. No mass and weight. Also, please take note. no volume and the density. No the formula we use to find mass, the formula for weight, formula for volume, and what the formula for density. Okay? I'm sure you are following me. You are following me. I'm sure you are following me. Under general physics, also know force. 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 No force. Because in an exam in paper 1 physics, they usually ask about finding what? Find the force of what? Find the force of what? So not the force. Also the formulas. No force and the formulas. Okay. We move on. We are still under what? General physics. We are still under what? General physics. These are the very, very important what? Subtopics you need to understand under general physics. Not only that, no moment. Moment. No moment. Moment. So know the formula we use to find moment and the lights. The 7th is what? Wake. Wake, comma, energy, and the power. My dear, these subtopics they come. Whether you like it or not, you will find work. You will find work in your exam paper. Energy and the power. These questions they usually come. Please take note of these subtopics. Know them. Go through. Please know the formula to use when finding work. Know formulas when finding what? Energy. Know the types of energy. Kinetic, potential, and the other. Know them. And also power. Know the units of power. Know the formula we use when finding what? Power. Please go through. Then the last point under general physics. The last point under general physics is what? Is simple machine. Wow. Simple machine. Wow. I like this. Simple machines. My dear friends, these things they come, as I'm saying. They usually come. Simple machines. No, the simple machines. No, the formulas we use when finding what? Simple machines. Please revise these topics. Revise these subtopics. I'm telling you. I tell you, these things they will come. It's rarely missing in a question paper. So please go through and revise. Go through and revise. I'm teacher K, mind you. Go through and revise under general physics. Okay, we move on now. We go to other now key topics that usually comes in what? In physics. Okay, the other topic that usually comes is what? Waves. Where? Waves. My dear, waves they come. They usually come. Go through and revise. Under waves, no general waves. The types of waves. Under the topic of waves, know the types. Under the topic of waves, no sound wave. Also, under this the topic of waves, no what? Light. So know the types of waves, know what sound wave is, know light. The formulas we use when finding what? Light. The formula we use when finding what? Sound. Also the types of what? Waves. Longitudinal and transverse what? Wave. Go through. Please revise these topics. Revise. They usually come. I'm telling you. They usually come. So we move on. What other topic that is essential under what? In physics in physics. Science paper 1, key topics. Mind you, that is our discussion for today. Physics, what? Key topics. So we move on. The third one is what? The third one is electricity. Electricity. Wow. Electricity. Revise this topic. Revise this topic. Electricity. Power. Electricity. Understand this topic, please. Understand this topic. So under this topic, now that's where comes what? Static. Static electricity. Static electricity. Static electricity. Know what static electricity is. Static electricity. Understand this subtopic under what? Electricity. The second one is what? Electric circuit. Electric circuit. So electric what? Electric circuit. The fifth one is what? Practical electricity. Practical electricity. Electricity. So revise, please. Revise these subtopics under what? Electricity. You are writing exams, my dear. You are writing, and please calm down, relax. I know God is doing, and only God knows what best for us. Relax, just go through, revise under normal what? Breathing rate. Under normal breathing rate. Don't even panic yourself. You are running what? You are racing a concluded matter. So don't even panic. Just relax. Under normal breathing rate. Just go through and revise. Under electricity topic, just know static electricity, electric circuit, and practical what? Electricity. We move on. I don't want to waste much time of time, because I know you want to study. You want to study and revise. Okay, the fourth one is what? Magnetism. Wow. Magnetism is one of the interesting topic in physics, and they usually come. So please revise, go through, please, under what? Magnetism. So under magnetism, you need to understand now the simple phenomenon of magnetism. Simple phenomenon of magnetism. So simple phenomenon of what? Magnetism. Please revise this topic. It's one of the interesting topic in physics, and they usually come in in question paper. You're gonna find these questions: magnet. So please go through and revise. Then the other thing that you need to understand, or you need to know over the topic magnetism, is what? Electromagnetic effect. Electromagnetic effect. Electromagnetic what? Effect. Know the effect of what? Magnets. Electromagnetic effect. Okay, we move on. I don't want to waste much of time. I don't want to wait. I want to give you time to study and revising. Okay, the other topic that we need to understand is what this electronics, 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 electronics. Go through, please. Go through. Revise, revise. Go through. Over this what topic electronics. So under electronics, you need to understand electrons, and these things are simple. Electrons. So you're gonna find the electrons in chemistry. You're gonna find the electrons in what physics. So these things are simple. Electrons. Very much simple. So understand these things. They are simple, but they confuse people during what exams. So please revise and go through. Then the other thing that we need to understand is what CRO. Wow. So CRO, cathode ray or oscilloscope. So you need to understand the cathode ray oscilloscope. Please know that diagram, know the parts of it, and understand the function of what each and every what part of it. Understand, please, the Y plate, X plate, display, then anode, cathode. Please know those parts and know their function. Cathode ray. They usually come. It usually comes. Cathode ray. And one of the interesting also topic in physics, cathode, the CRO. These things, people, they come. The last topic now, the last key topic that you need to understand is what? I know you know. Is what? So atomic what? Atomic physics. Wow, very good. Atomic what? Physics. So go through this topic, please. Go through, revise. Under atomic physics, you need to understand the nuclear atom. So understand the nuclear atom. Then the last point you need to understand is what? Radioactivity. Wow. Radioactivity. So understand radioactivity, nuclear atom. So these are the major topics in physics in science paper 1 that you need to do what? To understand. For today we can end here, and make sure you subscribe, you give a like, you give a comment, and so that whenever I upload a new video, you need to get to know about what? About it. I thank you. May God bless you, and please revise. Exam will be simple, and the exam is always simple as drinking water if you are revising and going through the past papers, and also go through these topics. I'm very much sure go through in the past papers. You're gonna find this what to questions under the topics that I was talking about. So please subscribe, give a like, comment, so that at the end of all things we have a good good result, and move on with moving on with good results and flying colors. I thank you.